Hello everybody, welcome to the second video of the series. In this video, we're just going to be going over some Onshape basic controls, how this documents page, how this my Onshape page as they call it, is set up, and how everything is going to live in your CAD world. Alright, as you can see, you can go over to this create button. You don't have to, this doesn't have to be anything permanent or anything that you're serious about. We're just gonna create a basic folder. As you can see, all of your folders will appear down here. So, just gonna create a basic folder. Alright, so you can think of these folders versus documents versus parts versus assemblies. You can think of your folder is like an art gallery or an art museum, and the different documents in it are like different exhibits, and then the different rooms in these exhibits, those are like assemblies, and then the different works of art in these assemblies are like, or in this room, those are like parts. So if you create something in this folder, we could create another folder in this folder, but we're just gonna create a document. So as you can see, you have a part, you have an assembly. As I said before, this will be like your little room. These will be like your works of art. Also, you can totally just use a lot of open source things in your assemblies. As you can see, this is like a robot from last year, one of our robots actually. And we have a bunch of parts that we made, 3D printed parts. We have assembly drawings in here. We just have a bunch of different stuff, but all in all, we just assembled it in a main assembly, but you can have other mini assemblies of your little parts. If you just have a blank page, yeah, so here are, this is a part. As you can see, you have your 3 planes that each of your CAD parts will live on. So top plane, front plane, right plane. We can make other planes in here, but here is just, you know, remember the math class of like middle school, you have X, Y, Z. This is what they are. You can move around by right-clicking and dragging with your mouse. Just look at that, and then you can sketch on different planes. We'll go over that further in other videos. And then if I made something in here, I could assemble it in my assembly. I could do something public, create by another folder, another document. I hope this helps to help you understand further what documents and folders are and the basic Onshape setup.